Welcome back to Adventures with Paw. Day 9. I'm out here again. It's 32 degrees. We had a couple snow flurries, just a little, I don't know if you can see, just a little bit of snow here and there. It just stuck, dusting the other night. But hey, I had nothing else to do today, this afternoon, so I figured let me go and jump in the stand. As you can see, I got my GoPro on my head. Last time I had it on my chest, but I had help with that harness. Now I don't have help with the harness, so I put the one on my head this time. So, and then, you know what? That follows me around everywhere. So, hey, this might be a little better, but I'm gonna try it out. Okay? Just a little breeze. It's really nice. Real nice. I mean, it might be 32 degrees, but hey, it's warm. Okay, hopefully the deer will be moving, and hopefully I'll be able to drag something out. So stay with me. I'm going in the stand. All right, made it up in the stand. Dropped my hunting license. Oh well. All right, I'm gonna put this face mask on, and it's 3:35. Hopefully something comes out. Mrs. says I need some hamburger, so I'll try to get some burger. My season is limited, and I'm running out of time. It's December 23rd, and I'm going to be heading south soon. So I got to get something done here. So I won't have time to process a deer. But I have to process it when I get back, I guess. All right, stay with me. See what happens. Well, I took my GoPro off. Why? Because it's not working. I charged the battery. Now the battery's dead. It don't work. Now I see why there's so many GoPros on Marketplace for sale. I'm not saying they're all junk, but I think it's way overrated. What's the sense in having a GoPro action cam and you can't even use it? I literally walked 200 yards in the cold, and it stopped working. The thing is totally useless for what I need it for. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Apparently they're way overrated. So I probably won't be using it too much. And mine might be up on Marketplace soon. Unbelievable. It's like the third time that I've been in my stand with this GoPro, and the GoPro stopped working. I don't know. It could be me, because technology and me don't get along, but I don't think so. I think it's the GoPro. And what a waste of money. That's sad. All right. Well, let's see what comes out. Hopefully I can get it with this iPhone. I probably got about another 15-20 minutes or so sitting time. Looks like it's going to be a day 10. Maybe, maybe not. This might be my last day. I guess you'll have to keep tuning in and see what happens. You know, you're going to have to hit that subscribe and, scan that QR code. It'll take you right to my page if you're watching on television. And make sure you hit that subscribe. All right? That stand hasn't been producing the last few times I've been sitting in it. So I think if I do make it out, then what I'm going to end up doing is probably sitting in another stand. See what comes out over in one of my other stands. I'll probably sit in the back corner. always seem to produce deer. This stand, I killed a lot of deer out of this stand. But there's just nothing here. I don't know if it's, like I said before in one of my other videos, I don't know if it's coyotes. I don't know if it's somebody else hunting in here and trespassing. I did see that one guy. Or it could be a disease. I'm not sure. I don't know. I normally see anywhere from 20 to 40 deer out in my fields. Haven't seen anything. So, oh well. That's nature. So we'll but I'll end up sitting in another stand if I get a chance to go out again. You know, probably after Christmas. I'm not going to go out tomorrow. We can't hunt on Christmas. We can't deer hunt on Christmas Day in New Jersey. So I might end up going out the following day after Christmas. But I'll sit in another stand. Maybe I'll have some luck. My season's winding down quickly. Something don't come out now. I might not be able to put meat in the freezer this year. Yeah. So, might have to buy a hamburger. Ugh. I don't want to do that. But, it is what it is. We'll have to, hopefully I can get out at least one more day before my season ends. Hey, if this is the end of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe. Okay? Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments, because I'd love to hear from you. Because I can use all the help I can get. I appreciate everybody watching. I really do. So, all right. I'm either dragging something out or I'm dragging myself out of here. If I'm dragging myself out, it's going to be a day 10. All right, let me be quiet. Thanks for watching Adventures with Paw.